This review is of Pumpkin Delight. Um, Gluten-free, no eggs, dairy, or trans fat by Alternative Baking Company. It's Parv, so it's safe for Jews and Muslims, and it's non-GMO. All that's right on there. It's also vegan. Let's see. Well, there's all the facts for you. The cookie has 220 calories. Wowzers. And 6 grams of fat, of which 1.5 are saturated. No cholesterol. 135 milligrams of sodium. 39 grams of carbs. 3 of which 3 are dietary fiber, 17 are sugars, and no sugar alcohols. 2 grams of protein as well. Okay, well, I'm hoping this is good. It smells like pumpkin spice. So it does have some palm fruit oil in it. That's probably where the 1.5 grams partially came from, at least. It does contain cellulose gum and modified cellulose. And as I suspected, no pumpkin that I can see. So maybe I missed it, but it seems like this is... Oh, there is pumpkin. I'm sorry. There it is. I missed it the first time around. There's pumpkin in this. So it actually is a pumpkin cookie. Don't get me wrong. I like pumpkin spice cookies too, but I'm happy this is a pumpkin cookie. The pumpkin may have been the reason that there's 3 grams of dietary fiber in it, but there's some other stuff in here that would contribute as well, I think. So this is an 8.5. It's tasty. You get there's a huge number of ingredients in here, but you get that flavor, that pumpkin pie-ish flavor, and it's more on the stronger side. And I really enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.